Hi everyone and welcome. In this review note, we are going to upgrade ESXi 6.5 to update 2. I've got two hosts connected into vCenter. This second one is currently at version 829.4253. If I look at this host, this is at version 488.7370. We're going to upgrade ESXi 1 to match ESXi 2. In order to do that, we need the updater. That is this guy here, which I've downloaded from the VMware site. This is the offline bundle that will allow us to do the update. That means that we're going to remote into our ESXi host and update via the command line. The first thing that we have to do is get this file uploaded onto our ESXi host. I have a session into the host itself. If I look at the storage, I'm going to upload this onto my local data store. Here's my data store, upload. There is my package. I'll open that, and in a few seconds this will be uploaded. Okay, that file is uploaded. That's that part finished. And I'm going to switch back over to vCenter. One of the things that we always want to make sure that we do before applying an update is put the host into maintenance mode so that any VMs can be evacuated. I don't have any VMs on this host at the time, but we'll do that anyway, just since it's best practice. Right-click on the host and change into maintenance mode. And we can see that the state has now been updated to put it into maintenance mode. Next thing I need to do is remote in with Secure Shell into my host. Let's make sure that Secure Shell is enabled first. Click on Configure, look at my services, and we can see that Secure Shell is stopped. So I'll start that so that we'll be able to remote in. Going to connect in using PuTTY. And I've now connected into that. First thing I need to do is put in a command line that will actually perform the update. Okay, this is the basic command, esxcli software vib update -d, and then I have to specify the actual file that is going to get installed. Starts in the VMFS directory at the root of the file system. I'm just going to use tab to make it easy to put in this information. And we see the path is volumes, the name of the data store, and then the updater file that we uploaded just a second ago. All I have to do with this is press enter. It will take a minute or so for it to do the update, and then we'll be ready to go. Excellent, that's finished. This is the output that you see with all of the different libraries that are added and all of the software that's been changed. This requires a restart. Put in the reboot command and let that restart. We'll see our SSH session go away here in a second when the system shuts down, and then we'll just wait for the reboot to finish. There you go, the session got killed. And we'll see what we can see when that comes back up, looking back into our vSphere client. Okay, we can now see that our host is back booted up. It's in maintenance mode. Bring this out of maintenance mode. And if we look at the summary, we can see that the version is now been updated from what it was originally. That's a wrap for the video. Hopefully this has been helpful for you, and we'll see you next time.